What is the mileage offset calculation in California lemon law? My name is Lior Katz, and I'm a California lemon law attorney, and I practice lemon law all over the state of California. And one of the most common things that people want to know when they call us regarding a lemon law claim is what is the mileage offset calculation? In lemon law, the general rule is that you're entitled to receive the money that you spent on the vehicle. You're entitled to receive back your down payment, ongoing monthly payments that you made on the vehicle, whether it was a lease or a purchase. You're essentially entitled to receive any money you spent out of pocket. Now, the only discount that comes out of that money is called the mileage offset. That is the one reduction, or one of the main reductions that we have in almost every lemon law case. Now, what is the mileage offset reduction? The way lemon law works is lemon law basically states that you cannot get money back for the time you drove a vehicle or the mileage you put on the vehicle before the vehicle exhibited any specific issues or any defects that led you to lemon the vehicle. So what you want to look at is there is a specific formula in California where you calculate how much money will come off the total amount that you're going to receive. And that formula is based on three items. It's based on the purchase price of the vehicle that you can obtain from the lease or sale contract. You have to look at the first mileage at the time you dropped off the vehicle for the first repair. And the third thing is you have to look at this number that the California lemon law came with, and it's 120,000. Why is it 120,000? Because that's the presumed mileage that every car should last for. And so the way we calculate the mileage offset is we take the purchase price of the vehicle, we multiply it by the amount of miles that you presented the vehicle for in your first visit, and that first time that you presented the vehicle to the dealership for the specific issue that led you to have the lemon law claim. And you take that total sum and you divide it by 120,000. That number is usually what's called the mileage offset. That amount is what's going to be reduced from the total amount that you're entitled to receive in your lemon law claim. Again, you definitely want to consider it, and there's certain scenarios where we're able to get that mileage offset deduction waived by the manufacturer. The law does require that it be waived, but there's certain ways to negotiate it where we can make sure that this amount of mileage or this amount of money is not reduced from the total settlement. The mileage offset waiver is something that every person that's qualified for a lemon law claim should know about, because that's, again, the discount that comes out of the total amount of money you receive. If you have any questions or if you want to learn some more, give us a call right now, 800-88-LEMON. We'll be happy to help you out.